was the interview? What you felt about the interview? How was it? Good, bad?
Sir, 5 out of 5. If I rate means 3 out of 5, sir.
3 out of
Because
5. Why do you
I should work on the last
academics,
you
academics
asked
part,
to,
right?
sir.
Academic parts.
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool, cool. Okay, so Arpita, I'll tell you honestly my reviews about your interview. Okay, it was very impressive interview. Okay, as a fresher, you were very confident while giving the answers. Okay, your communication skill is excellent. Okay, you are doing very well in terms of communication skill. Your way of communicating answer is very impressive, and presence of mind is very good. Whenever I'm asking a question, your mind is here in the interview. So you are capturing things, what I am saying. You are marking my words and you are trying to frame my words. As I asked you a question that whatever you will do for improvement of Byju's. Suddenly you told that, sir, that question which you told me that try to add computers and Hindis, you added that part, right? That means the mind is very sharp, okay, and you are catching everything. That is very good, actually. Whenever you're doing this, that will definitely help you throughout the interview. So that is very, very good, excellent, like communication skill and excellent way of thinking, okay, whatever your brain you're applying, okay. But few things you have to improve in the interview, okay. Already you are good, you are saying good in the interview, but still I feel that you should be better, because you deserve to be better. You can do much more better than this. Your level is very far, okay. You are very good, okay. With this confidence, definitely you'll have a zeal to crack the interview. But still I want you to be the best, okay, because you have that skill, you have that ability to be the best, okay. So starting from the introduction, I'll tell you in the intro, as you have given a wonderful intro, it was impressive intro, but at least try to add 2 3 more points, okay. You can just exceed the intro by 30 seconds or 20 seconds, okay. Whatever hobbies you are adding, try to add few points in hobbies also, few more points in hobbies, okay. Because see, I don't know you personally. In that 1 minute I want to know you as much as I can, okay. So my first goal is to know what things you do apart from your job, apart from your work, okay. Be it hobbies or anything, try to add more points to that, okay. Secondly, being a salesperson, you should know this, that whenever customer is demanding something, first of all, ask the customer that what is your demand, right? If customer is asking for something, anything, a single pen or something, if I told you the very first question that sell me a pen, so your first question should be, sir, why do you need pen, right? What is your requirement? What do you do with the pen? Then I can give you better suggestions that which pen to buy, which pen you should leave or not buy, anything. Okay. Because I mentioned myself, I don't use the pen much. That should be your question. That, sir, what do you do? May I know, are you a writer? Do you write much? Do you write less? You should know, first of all, from me. Then it will be good. It will be easier for you to convince me with any single thing. Okay. Nothing can stop you to convince me. If you know my mindset, that why I want that particular thing, then nothing can stop you from that. Okay. So always you have to ask the customer the requirement. If customer is coming to your shop, you should ask the requirement. Think this way, as a customer, if you go to any shop to buy something for you, anything, any t-shirt or anything, so what the salesperson does to you, he first asks you, ma'am, what is your requirement? Why are you here at my shop? What do you want? In a very pleasant manner, very friendly manner. Then you tell, I want a shirt for for myself. I want a specs for myself. Then he will tell you, okay, ma'am. So I think according to your face, this should suit you. According to your like body, this should suit you. Okay. So that is a method to convince people easily, that you should develop day by day. Okay. So whenever you are in an interview, always try to first of all understand the need of customer. Why customer is coming to your shop? Definitely he is having some need. No one is free to come to your shop and buy something. If he is coming, he is having a need. So you should know the need of a customer, okay, and then definitely you can answer. Second thing is, you are giving free of cost. That is good. If I ask for a earphone, you are giving me a free of cost wired earphone. But the thing should sound feasible. It should not be your loss, because you are doing a business, and business do not require loss. So you cannot do something that is your loss. If you are giving me a free earphone with a damaged earphone, or like whatever earphone you're giving me. So that is your loss basically, right? Because you are giving me two earphones. Okay, so you can give me something else. That's okay. You are buying the earphone, something which is of less price. Okay, give me a pen complimentary or give me something complimentary. Don't give me a earphone complimentary. So that will be your loss as a business person. Okay, think that way logically. Okay, don't think of your loss, that I'll bear the loss, I'll manage. No, why will you manage? You're a business person. You also want to earn, grow in life. Okay, so you'll not manage with anything. You will tell the points which is feasible. You should not face any loss at any point. Third thing is academic part, as I told you, that basic things you should know, Newton's law and all that you should know. And be
I know.
confident. If you don't know law, at least the numbers you should know. How many laws Newton have? Three laws, four laws. Okay. If I'm telling you six law, I am wrong. I am just trying to confuse you. But you have to be confident that no, he's having only three laws. I know, sir. That I am sure about. These basic things you should know. It will not impact the interview much, but still, because you are a good candidate and you are speaking very very good, your communication skill is very very excellent. So that's why I think you should be perfect with everything. Don't miss out any single thing. Okay, so I want to work on this. If you work on this, definitely you'll improve, because you have that capacity. You are catching things very easily, so you have that audacity to like acquire things easily. Okay, so you will do that. Just work on that. Okay, third thing is in the BDA questions, when I am asking you a BDA question. Okay, so in that questions, whenever, first of all, your duty is to greet the customer also. Okay, before explaining any single thing. Okay, like you have to make relation with the customer. Okay, because that customer will pay you for long time. If he's taking a course for 1 year, definitely he'll extend the course for 2 3 more years, right? So you should like have a relation with the customer first of all. As in, how will you have the relation? Like before selling anything to a customer, ask customer, sir, like we also know, past 2 years COVID is going on, 1.5 years COVID is going on. So sir, may I know how was the COVID time for you, sir? Because everyone was losing job in COVID, है ना? Everyone was having difficulties in COVID. So sir, may I know how was COVID for you, sir? Did you suffer, sir, in COVID, or how you cope up with all those problems? Secondly, sir, what do you do in occupation? You can ask what the mother does in occupation, in which class the child is, where he is taking the tuition or coachings. Okay, so you can ask all these things. What will this do? This will create an impression that okay, you are a very friendly person, so I can definitely trust you. So whatever you say, by this or that, definitely I'll trust you easily. Okay, so do this at every point. Okay, this will definitely create a positive impact towards the customer. After that, if you are pitching a plan of 1 lakh 2 lakh, whatever plans are there, customer will think one time that okay, she is very friendly with me, so obviously I can trust her and I can go for this particular plan. Okay, so you can do this way. Okay, try this. Okay, day by day it will improve. Interview by interview it will improve. Rest skills are very good. Okay, so you are doing good at your part. Okay. Okay, so as I was mentioning that in the BDA questions, you have to build a repo with the customer. Okay, and I told you the methods of repo building, that you have to ask customer, greet customer. Okay, that what customer does and all. Okay, that will help you to build a repo with the customer. Okay, as think this way, whenever you go to your friend's house. Okay, so she'll never ask you on the gate or the door only that what do you want, why are you here. She'll first of all greet you, how are you, what do you do nowadays, and then she'll ask you that what is the purpose of coming to my house. Okay, so this way that this happens. So you have to develop this method. Whenever you're talking to a customer, try to develop this method, that while talking to a customer, I'll first greet the customer, I'll ask customer how is he or she, and then I'll pitch my plan, whatever I want to pitch. Okay, so this way it will be convenient and easy for you to convince any customer. Okay, so this thing is done. And the last question was where I told you to reduce the price of Byju's. Okay, so in that I was giving a trick question, that is Vedantu bad, or is the education quality bad in Vedantu? So never ever criticize any other company. Okay, if the interviewer is confusing you, telling that Vedantu is bad or any other company is bad, don't tell bad points about any company. Okay, you can appreciate the points of Byju's, that Byju's is having this point, that point. Okay, but never ever try to criticize the company. Okay, that will create a negative impact whenever you do that. Okay, so you can say that Vedantu is good. Vedantu is having a good quality of education, but in Byju's we have better quality of education because we have good teachers, we have this 3D animation kind of learning, we have visual format learning and all that. So whatever features you know of Byju's, try to add the features. Okay, whenever customer comes to money and customer is asking for discount and anything, always try to add discounts, sorry, the features of Byju's. Okay, then only you can answer better. Because if you are if you are asking the customer or convincing the customer by any point, he'll not understand. He wants discount. That means he has made his mind that I will buy the application in 60K or 70K or 80K, whatever figure is there. So that is only one way to cope up. That is the feature of Byju's. 3D learning, animation, child lock feature, whatever things you know about Byju's, try to add every feature. Okay, and this way you can definitely cope up with all the answers. Okay, so rest, Arpita, I think the interview was excellent. Being a fresher, you were doing this good in the interview. I never expected in the first interview you'll do this much good. Okay, so keep it up. Okay, the impressive answers which you gave me throughout the interview, keep these answers and always try to add these answers whenever you're giving the original interview of Byju's. Okay, try to have the presence of mind as you have applied today. So always in any interview, whenever you're giving the interview, try to use your brain. Okay, because interviewer will confuse you. He'll ask you trick questions in the interview. You have to understand that what trick is involved and how to solve that. Rest, the body language, the confidence level, the communication skills is excellent in you. Okay, there is no doubt in saying that. Okay, don't work on anything, it is perfect in you. Okay, so that things are very very good. So ignore that, that is already improved. Okay, with whichever ways you have done that, but it is improved. So you have to work on all these points which I mentioned. Okay, you might have known now what points you are missing throughout the interview. Okay, so if you work on these points, then I can assure you no one can stop you to get a job. Okay, and as you mentioned that you have already worked somewhere in a sales profile, that is a plus point for you, and that will definitely help you. And in your answers I can see that you have a good skill of communication and convincing. Okay, it is clearly visible in the answers. Okay, that will create a positive point for you, obviously. Okay, so rest, I think you are perfect with everything. Okay, just work on few of the answers which I mentioned where you are lacking. Okay, and work a bit on academics part also. You might not answer every question, but try to answer at least 2 3 questions. Okay, so that interviewer will know that okay, you know something. There is nothing that you don't know, like as you answered the capitals and all that, that you were saying right. Okay, so like that was perfect. Okay, just like Newton's law, if I'm asking you, you should know the law, number of law. Okay, if you don't know the law, not a problem, but how many laws Newton has given, that you should know. That is very basic kind of thing that everyone should know. Okay, if you have forgotten the law, not a problem. Okay, if you don't know, but don't waste time. If you know, say the law. If you don't know, say sir, I don't know, I'm sorry sir, I'm not aware of the law right now, I can't remember the law right now, I'm sorry. So he'll just move to next question. Okay, rest things are good. The answer is perfect. It's not very lengthy while you are giving the answers, not very short. You are trying to add more and more valuable points. So that is very, very good. Okay. And as I asked you that tell me 3 names of celebrities who have short hairs. So you were good. You remembered few points and you were trying to express yourself with whatever ways you can. So things are perfect. Okay. Just work on these few points. Okay. Because right now you are in good level. Okay, but I want you to be the best because you have the ability to be the best. I don't say this to everyone, but you have the skills. So I trust you that you can make it up. Okay. If you work on these points, nothing can stop you because already you are having a good kind of things in the interview. Okay. So just work on this, and I am sure to hear good news from you soon that you got the selection in Byju's. I know you will definitely get. Okay, and I'll be waiting for your response. That when once you get, definitely you ping me or Vikas sir and you inform us that you got selected. Okay, so I just want to wish you all the best from my side. Okay, you are doing a great job as a fresher. Okay, If I would be the interviewer, I'll definitely select you for the job role because I am that much confident on you. Okay. But in Byju's, they'll have different techniques, different questions. So try to work on few points which I told you. That will be all from my side. Okay. So I want to wish you all the best. Tomorrow is your interview, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
just crack it, nail it down.
Okay.
Okay. You can do that. You have one night time. So today night, work on all these points. Try to improve as much as you can. And then we hope to hear from you soon. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Good luck. Good luck, Arpita. Good luck. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye.